Ever wondered how a young boy from Omaha turned a small fortune into billions? Today we're diving into the incredible journey of Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, and uncovering the secrets behind his legendary success. Stay tuned to learn the 7 golden rules that made him one of the richest and most respected investors in the world. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're exploring the fascinating story of Warren Buffett, a man whose name is synonymous with smart investing and financial wisdom. From his humble beginnings to his rise as one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Buffett's journey is packed with valuable lessons for anyone looking to improve their financial knowledge. We'll not only walk you through his remarkable life but also share the 7 key principles that have guided his investment strategy for decades. Also, the first comment has an Amazon link to the ultimate guide to making money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. If you're ready to learn from the best, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Early beginnings. Warren Edward Buffett was born on August 30, 1930, in Omaha, Nebraska during the Great Depression. From a young age, Warren showed a talent for numbers and business. His father, Howard Buffett, was a stockbroker and later a U.S. congressman, and his mother, Layla, provided a stable home environment. At age 6, Warren made his first business transaction by buying 6 packs of Coca-Cola from his grandfather's grocery store for 25 cents and selling each bottle for a nickel, making a small profit. This early taste of entrepreneurship sparked his interest in business. The formative years. By age 11, Warren had saved $120, which he used to buy 3 shares of Citi's Service, preferred stock at $38 per share. The stock price dropped to $27, but Warren held on until it rebounded to $40, teaching him a lesson about patience and resilience in investing. Warren went to the University of Nebraska-Lincoln for his degree in business administration. His turning point came when he read Benjamin Graham's book, The Intelligent Investor. Captivated by Graham's ideas about value investing, Warren attended Columbia Business School, where Graham was a professor. There, Warren's investment philosophy took shape. Career beginnings. After graduating, Warren worked at his father's brokerage firm in Omaha. He later joined Graham Newman Corp., working closely with Benjamin Graham. This experience deepened his understanding of investing, emphasizing research and the intrinsic value of stocks. In 1956, at age 26, Warren formed Buffett Partnership Limited with $100,000 from family and friends. Over the next 13 years, the partnership achieved impressive returns, growing at an average annual rate of 29.5%. By 1969, Warren had built a small fortune and decided to dissolve the partnership to focus on other ventures. The Berkshire Hathaway Era. In 1962, Warren noticed that the shares of a struggling textile company, Berkshire Hathaway, were very cheap. Intrigued by its low price, he began buying shares. By 1965, Warren had taken control of the company, but the textile business continued to struggle. Instead of abandoning Berkshire, Warren transformed it into a holding company and started buying other businesses. His first major purchase was National Indemnity, an insurance company. The steady cash flow from the insurance business provided Warren with the money needed to invest in other ventures. Building an empire. Under Warren's leadership, Berkshire Hathaway grew into a diverse conglomerate. He bought companies with strong fundamentals and good management. Some of his notable acquisitions include Geico. Recognizing its potential, Warren made substantial investments in Geico, eventually taking full control. The Washington Post. In 1973, he bought a significant stake in the newspaper, believing in its long-term value despite temporary market challenges. See's Candies. Acquired in 1972, See's became a prime example of a company with a strong competitive advantage, or economic moat. Warren's investment strategy focused on buying businesses that were undervalued but had excellent long-term prospects. He looked for companies with strong brand names, reliable earnings, and capable management teams. The Oracle of Omaha. Warren's investment success earned him the nickname, the Oracle of Omaha. His annual letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders became famous for their wisdom and insights into investing. Unlike many investors who sought quick profits, Warren was patient and willing to hold on to investments for decades if he believed in their value. A key aspect of Warren's success was his partnership with Charlie Munger, his longtime friend, and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. Munger's ability to challenge Warren's views helped refine their investment strategies. Legacy and philanthropy. As Berkshire Hathaway grew, so did Warren's wealth. He became one of the richest people in the world, but his lifestyle remained modest. Known for his frugality, Warren lived in the same house he bought in 1958 and drove a simple car. In 2006, Warren made a groundbreaking announcement. He pledged to give away 99% of his wealth to philanthropic causes, mainly through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This decision was driven by his belief that his wealth should benefit society. Warren's philanthropy extended beyond money. He also encouraged other billionaires to commit a significant portion of their wealth to charity through the Giving Pledge, which he co-founded with Bill Gates. Before we continue, remember we are here to help you from achieving financial freedom in 5 years to how to save money like the rich. We have a bit for everyone. Now let's dive back in. The 7 most important rules from Warren Buffett. Invest in what you understand. Warren's early experience taught him the importance of understanding the businesses he invested in. He advises focusing on companies whose products and operations you fully understand. Think long-term. Warren's strategy revolves around a long-term perspective. He believes in buying quality companies and holding them for years, even decades, to allow their value to grow. Value over price. Warren emphasizes the difference between price and value. He looks for stocks that are priced lower than their real worth, offering a margin of safety. Strong management. Trustworthy and capable management teams are crucial. Warren seeks companies with leaders who have integrity, talent, and a clear vision for the future. Economic moat. Companies with a durable competitive advantage, or economic moat, are Warren's favorites. These moats protect the business from competitors and ensure long-term profitability. Financial discipline. Known for his frugality, Warren believes in managing expenses wisely and avoiding unnecessary debt. This principle applies to both personal finance and corporate management. Continuous learning. Warren is a voracious reader, devouring books on various topics. He believes in lifelong learning and staying informed about the market, economy, and world affairs. Conclusion. Warren Buffett's journey from a young boy selling Coca-Cola to one of the most respected investors in the world is a testament to patience, discipline, and deep understanding. His investment philosophy, grounded in value investing, has built a remarkable fortune and set a standard for ethical and intelligent investing. Buffett's legacy extends beyond his financial acumen. His commitment to philanthropy and modest lifestyle shows how wealth can be used wisely and generously. The principles he follows continue to guide investors around the globe, offering timeless wisdom in a constantly changing financial world. Through his story, Warren Buffett has shown that true success lies not just in accumulating wealth, but in using it wisely to make a lasting impact on the world. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the life and wisdom of Warren Buffett. Remember, his story isn't just about making money. It's about understanding value, thinking long-term, and continuously learning. If you found these insights helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could use some financial inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which of Buffett's rules you found most impactful. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing wisely. Also remember, the first comment has an Amazon link to The Ultimate Guide to Making Money with Apple Vision Pro. Master remote freelancing with 9 simple methods and boost your productivity using the technology of the future. Make sure to check it out. Before leaving, did you already subscribe? Do you not want to achieve financial freedom in 5 years? Or learn how to master your budget and stop leaks? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.